Yo, what's happening, GC gang? Y'all already know what it is and what it do, man. Y'all see from the thumbnail what it is that I done did and what I'm about to do. So, uh, I ain't gonna tell y'all no word of lie, man. I'm tired. I barely got my voice. I got a real bad headache, but I'm still gonna proceed with this video. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna set my camera up. I'm gonna set it up the way y'all can see what I'm doing. And but don't get it twisted. I am excited that I'm about to put this on. So um, I just can't show it because my energy level is like real low. So I'm gonna get my stuff, set the camera up, and then I'll let y'all see what it is. And then once I finish, I'm gonna holler back at y'all. Come on, get on the other side.
Huh?
There we go. Okay, that looks straight.
Looks straight.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Mm-hmm. You got more space on the right side. It's straight. I don't know if you wanted it like that.
Shit, it good.
Okay.
As long as that bitch ain't sitting like this.
No, it ain't cricket. Just got more space on your right side.
Good to me.
Come get me.
Wishmaster Beats.
Purchase your tracks today.
Well, folks, I got it up there. Y'all can see. Finally got it on. Finally did it. It looked pretty good. The word YouTube, it got like a bunch of bubbles in it. So I'm gonna see what that sun gonna do to it tomorrow. If not, I mean, who am I to complain about it, right? Because I mean, I'm not no professional at it. That was my first time ever doing that myself. The one on my Nissan, some people did that at a shop. So this one, I think I did damn good with it. So I mean, but like I said, man, I'm tired. I'm burnt out. But thank y'all for watching my video, man. Y'all keep rocking with me. If it's your first time seeing one of my videos, go ahead on and hit subscribe, because like I always say, I got plenty more videos coming at y'all, bro. I got way more videos coming. So that being said, man, it's your boy GC Journey, as y'all can see on my window. So get back with y'all, man, on the next video, bro.